I don't know, Flemmy.
Oh, I can. Okay. You're a sick man, Jesus.
Fire into the thing if you want to, because there's people on the beach.
It's not bleeding speed like it should be. Oh, we're on the map. Oh, we're gonna hit. Fuck's sake.
Hydraulic failure.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Everyone's dead. Just kidding.
Ah!
This is worth it though. They're trapped between my car. Titan's trapped
Awful.
inside.
Is everyone okay? Who needs help?
So
Everyone.
apparently I don't crash
Probably.
in combat very often, but when I do, it's
Let me stop
really,
this bleeding real quick. These
really
fucking
bad.
tourniquets. God. This is gonna be bad. Alright, where is everyone? Oh shit. Alright. Oh, okay, there they are.
Titan's
Well, he's
warping
dead.
through the black rock.
Told you, man, I hate Blackhawk.
Oh wait, we lost
They don't
Sean
bleed
and
speed.
You
we
fuckers
lost
brought a body
Sean and Zethos, didn't we? No, wait, no.
back. Zethos here's not too bad.
Lost Sean.
Can you get yourself?
Yeah, Sean died too.
Yeah,
Got
that
about
that
you
didn't
copy.
bleed speed like I was expecting it to.
Oh, what the fuck?
Just sort of
Okay,
pulled up.
we might want to move.